Hi, I'm Primepalindrome, and today I'm gonna be telling you about blending. Blending is what's gonna make your art look the most like your art. It's very personal. It has a lot of decisions you need to make in it. So it's a bit of an advanced thing, you might say, but it's the first thing everybody wants to learn. So I'm gonna show you what I've learned, and I hope it's useful to you. Enjoy! The first thing about digital painting is that you take a big brush to start, and what is most helpful is when you have this textured brush that gives you a bit of grit in your drawings, because everything will look so computerized if you don't. The first technique is that you block in the colors, and once you've blocked those colors down, the blending begins. Mostly you could just take the brush you're using and put it on a lower opacity. I like to use the full opacity, just 100% all the way through. That makes for better edges, and just use the sensitivity of my tablet. So I just press down lightly and it blends it for me. The second way to blend is using a soft brush. It's just going through the edges and blending it with soft brush. Soft brush is a rounded brush with very smooth edges, and it will just create the illusion of blend. The third way is just using the smudge tool. Most programs have it for drawing. It will be called different, maybe. It will just create a nice blended edge for you. Don't go all the way on the opacity. It will look weird. Just low opacity on the smudge tool is a good tip. And after you've blended, it's nice to add some extra texture to it. Like I said, you don't want it to look too artificial. You want to put some grit. You want to put some realness in there, some character. Give the drawing some character, and that you can do it using a speckled brush or a textured one, just stippling the texture back in. Oh yeah, there is a fourth way, I forgot. Another way is that you take a piece of your drawing and you use filters on that. So you cut a piece of drawing out, and then you use the blur of your filters and you paste it on, and it will look fantastic. Okay, these have just been some of the techniques you can learn to blend. You're gonna make your whole own thing of it. As I said, it's gonna define your style, what you do with it. And as you can see, I don't use a lot of brushes. Right now I'm using Istabrex brush. It's from the oil set. I'm very happy with that. You should check out her channel. And you can learn a lot. I'm going to go into the study now, and I think that's a good way to learn to observe and copy. You're not worried about composition or color. You're just giving yourself some space to practice your brushwork. I also recommend, it should be on the screen right now, these kind of shapes to practice on. Just Google geometric shapes in light. It's so boring, but it'll help you. So enjoy this study, and I'm gonna be calling out some of the blending I use during the video in the subtitles. So have fun! Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope it's been helpful to you, and if there's something else you'd like me to cover, just write me in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye! And you can learn a lot. That's not... Can I use it? I'm so twitchy. Focus! Okay.